Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at Lexis and Company. So today we're gonna discuss the ground under which the plaint जो है like plaint का rejection होता है, plaint can be rejected under order 7 or order 7 rule 11. सो इसमें जो प्लेन का रिजेक्शन है, जो ग्राउंड है रिजेक्शन के एंड अंडर एप्लीकेशन ऑर्डर 7 रूल 11 में इफ़ द रिलीफ जो क्लेम्ड हुआ इन द प्लेन में अगर वो अंडर वैल्यूड होता है तो भी जो ऑर्डर है कोर्ट है वो उस प्लेन को रिजेक्ट कर सकती है वाया एप्लीकेशन ऑर्डर 7 ऑफ रूल 11. So as per order 7 rule 11b, if the amount of compensation that is being demanded by the plaintiff is lesser than the request, the plaint can be rejected. Such a claim needs to be corrected within the time which is prescribed by the court. Such a rejection amount to the dismissal of the suit. A fresh plaint may be presented under order 7 rule 13 of the code. Like for the purpose of rejecting a plaint on the ground, the evaluation involved should be objective in nature. For example, in Meenakshi Sundaram Chetyar versus Venkanchal Chattar में 1979 के केस में the evaluation was of the rent of the leasehold. This is an objective evaluation. जो नेक्स्ट केस था इन कमर्शियल एविटेशन एंड ट्रैवल कंपनी वर्सेस विमल पन्नालाल, it was held by the Honorable Supreme Court that while evaluating the value of the relief claim in the plaint, the court needed to resort to the materials and evidence present. The respondent plaintiff in paragraph 33 of the plaint had claimed relief estimating anywhere from 25 lakh to 30 lakh. This was also disputed because there was not an accurate estimate. However, the court held that it was not unreasonable on the part of the respondent plaintiff to do so. The appeal before the Supreme Court was dismissed and reason was cited for the dismissal. So that's all for today. We will back soon with the new legal ideas and with new legal topics. तब तक के लिए thank you guys, thank you for watching us.